I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today is Muffin Monday and I am making coconut muffins. It's a recipe I haven't tried before, but I think it'll be delicious. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 egg beaten, a half a cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of grated coconut, and 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. You want to take your egg, your milk, and your oil and mix that together really well. Now you want to take the rest of your ingredients and mix it until it's well combined. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to spray a muffin tin that holds 12. Now just scoop your batter into your muffin tins, and mine made 12. And now bake for at least 25 minutes. And here they are. They were so good. They were chewy and delicious. They were dense, but it was a good dense. It was that coconut that was in there, and the flavor was wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.